What's going on, stargazers? Alexander here, and I'm here to talk about the new moon in Leo. First of all, first thing is really important, make sure you're drinking lots of water because the moon is in a fire sign, that fire energy of Leo. So really make sure you're drinking enough water to stay hydrated because the fire likes to burn up all that watery energy of the moon. So it's really important that we're taking care of ourselves and hydrating and whatnot. And really, this is the black moon, which is really interesting because this happens every 33 months or so. So that means typically we have 3 new moons for every season. Every, like, summer has 3 new moons, autumn has 3 new moons, and so on. But then every 33 months, there's 4 new moons in a season, and the third moon of the 4 new moons is called the black new moon. And we are now having the black new moon of Leo. It's a really auspicious time. There's really a lot going on. There's a lot of fire in the chart of the new moon. There's a lot of fixed energy in the chart of the new moon. And really, this is about healing quarrels, healing battles, healing violence, and inviting the ability to really have debate and to have discussion without having, really going for the low blow. So I'm going to be having a virtual ritual. Actually, you can sign up for it and watch the replay. And it's good for 48 hours. And we're going to be working with all those planets in retrograde, that phase of that new moon, so that you can set your intentions and really optimize all that fiery energy that's available there for you. And also something that's really interesting that's coming up with this new moon is because it's a blank canvas for us to put our intention, for us to really focus on what it is that we want and then put that out into the field so that it can come back to us. So it's really about independence, and it's about our valor, and it's about our courage, and we're really thinking, how do we use our strength, right? That's the question of this quest is my strength a violation to what is holy and divine? And what could this possibly even mean? I mean, really think about that during this 48-hour window, but something that I can really um, just kind of testify to is that when people are not feeling so well, they don't have that much energy to do negative things. So you have to think about, when you have a lot of energy, how are you spending that energy? It's in the same way that you're spending money. Are you using it for positive things or self-destructive things? So really think about, how are you using your strength? Are you using it right? Like, so you want to reflect upon that, and then you'll get the energy that you need to go out through that new moon cycle. And again, all that fiery, all the planets, not all of them, but a lot of planets are in that fiery energy. And then also in the virtual ritual, I'll put a link in the description or in the bio, is that it's giving us this ability to heal our friendships with people that we've disconnected with or that we've got angry with, and it's allowing us to reconnect those bridges. So that's really fortunate. That's something that we really need right now. And in the virtual ritual, I talk more about connecting with the essential self, and then the self with others. So this is really beneficial as well. And of course, you can use the Leo Essential Oil Blend, because that's going to help you align with the energies, and it's going to help to balance the heart, the etheric heart, the physical heart, and also the heart meridian. It's going to be very helpful as well to kind of like just open up that heart, and to really allow this black new moon in Leo to give us a good seed for what's to come, the lunar cycle that's to come. And it's really interesting because this new moon in Leo is at the end of Leo season, so it's kind of giving us a reboost of that Leo energy. And the sun's in Leo, and the sun rules over Leo, so there's again a lot of heat energy just swarming us and coming from all directions, and it's really just quite interesting. So it's a little bit of a challenging moon because it's that black moon, and it's really intense. I mean, the virtual ritual was very intense. But I think it's something that we need right now. We need a lot of that fire energy to help us to transform, to help us to see how we can grow out of the old and become something new. So don't argue with others. Really learn how to invite peace and to approach things with the mature energy. And this is also helping us to heal violence. It's helping us to heal any kind of fighting and bickering that we do within ourselves and how we do out with others. So please be mindful of that, not going belligerent, not going for the low blows, not sinking down to the level that you're either projecting onto others or the level that you feel is being projected onto you. So really, we need a lot of energy to use that strength to keep from judging, to keep from engaging in these different energies that are swarming us and swarming the world, and then we can convert that into something positive. So let me know how the new moon in Leo is going for you. Otherwise, we can really activate this energy of generosity, this energy of really standing up for who we are, standing up without apologizing, being who we are, expressing who we are, and really allowing, our light to shine uniquely for who we are, because that's of course what the new moon in Leo wants to do as well. So really optimize that 48-hour window, be mindful, do your ritual, do the virtual ritual. You can participate in mine, it's $12, and I'd be really happy to see you guys, and let me know how this new moon is going for you. And until next time, my name's Alexander. Please follow, like, and I'll see you soon. Okay, bye guys.